What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at some wireless noise cancellation stereo earphones. These are going to be the E700. These are going to be some great active noise cancellation earphones. So let's go ahead and get these open so we can get a look at them. All right, so once you open this up, you get a couple of things. You have your user instructions, shows you how to use the headphones, what it comes with in the box, also how to get these connected, whether you're going to be using it with Bluetooth or wired, and it also shows you how to download the app. Also, you have some warranty, important safety information on the other pamphlet, so that's what you get with that. And these are going to be the headphones themselves. Actually, this is going to be the case for the headphones. Now, one thing I will say before I even open these, this is a very nice premium feel. This case just alone with, compared to a lot of other products, this feels really premium. So I'm already getting some good vibes from the case itself. And when you open it up, I don't get attached to a lot of headphones, but I can already tell that I'm going to really like these. So this is the way it looks. It's going to be a multifunctional type of headphone as far as your degrees of rotation. So if you need to turn the left and right to the side, you can do that. The foam on the ear pads feel really, really nice. It's really soft. It bounces right back. You just get this nice premium feel to the headphones. Also, the head pad, this is really, really soft, and it just feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap. You have this bend here, so you don't feel like you're gonna be breaking this. Also, you have your buttons here, so you can control from the power to your volume, and then also for your active noise cancellation, there's a button there. And then also to charge the headphones, you have your USB-C connection right there. Now, also included in the bag, you have your USB-C to 3.5 millimeter jack, so your audio or headphone jack. You also have a regular USB-C to USB-A cable to charge your device. Now, the E700 is going to sound really good. You're going to get that high-res audio. It doesn't matter if you're listening to this by Bluetooth or you're connecting it by the wire. You're going to get a really low latency response time with these. So that way you're not missing out on any audio, whether you're using these to, listen to music, or you can also use this to listen to different types of entertainment as well. So this is the way it looks when I put it on. And immediately when I put these on, the noise level just goes completely down. Now, when these are powered up and you have the active noise cancellation switched on, I can be really immersed into whatever I'm listening to, or I can press the button and I can hear whatever is around me plus what I'm listening to. So this is going to be really great for travelers. If you're traveling, you want to be nice and comfortable, block out all the noise that may be on an airplane or whether you're on a train, bus. This is going to be really great for that use. Or if you're at the gym working out and you just want to have a nice, quiet workout, be immersed in whatever you're listening to, just tap that button and you're good to go. Now, one thing that I really enjoyed that I tested out early is that these actually make some pretty good gaming earphones. So what I did to make this compatible with, say for instance, my PlayStation, this comes with this USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter. Just plug this into your controller, plug the USB-C connection into your earphones, and now you have some gaming earphones. So guys, if you're looking for some headphones that'll produce some nice stereo sound and allow you to be immersed in what you're listening to, I would go ahead and give these a try. So once again, this is going to be the E700 wireless noise cancellation stereo headphones. Hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.